दार्जिलिंग में आज मुख्यमंत्री ममता बनर्जी ने कहा कि रामपुर हाट की घटना की जांच में राज्य सरकार पूरा सहयोग कर रही है। उन्होंने बुधवार को दार्जिलिंग में प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की और इस दौरान पत्रकारों के पूछे गए सवाल का जवाब देते हुए कहा कि मैं खुद चाहती हूं कि रामपुर हाट हिंसा मामले में वास्तविक आरोपियों को सजा मिले, लेकिन उन्होंने घटना को लेकर भाजपा की ओर से तैयार की गई रिपोर्ट से सीबीआई की जांच प्रभावित होने की आशंका जताई। मुख्यमंत्री ने भाजपा के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जेपी नड्डा को पार्टी द्वारा भेजी गई रिपोर्ट की भी निंदा की। उन्होंने जांच में राजनीतिक हस्तक्षेप का आरोप लगाते हुए कहा, वे मेरे जिला अध्यक्ष को गिरफ्तार करना चाहते हैं, यह एक बड़ी साजिश है। महंगाई के मुद्दे पर निशाना साधते हुए ममता बनर्जी ने कहा, बीजेपी की नीति है कि खाली तंग करो, जैसे लोग भूल जाएं कि गैस के दाम बढ़ गए हैं। ममता बनर्जी ने कहा, लगातार पेट्रोल की कीमतें बढ़ाते जा रहे हैं, डीजल और गैस का भी भाव बढ़ाते हैं, आम लोग काफी परेशान हैं। उन्होंने कहा कि उनकी सरकार ने यूक्रेन से लौटे 400 विद्यार्थियों की पढ़ाई की निःशुल्क व्यवस्था की है। केंद्र सरकार ने इस दिशा में क्या काम किया? उन्होंने केंद्र की नीतियों को जन विरोधी बताया और सभी पार्टियों के नेताओं को भाजपा के विरुद्ध एकजुट होने का आह्वान किया।
Investigation part of this particular.
Even their report, I have seen that they have mentioned my district president name. This is very bad, very rough attitude, very negative attitude, very biased attitude, very vindictive attitude. And how they can how they can mention without investigation my district president name? It means they want to arrest him. That is a personal vendetta. They want to arrest all throughout the country, whoever is opposing the BJP party. They want to arrest all the political parties, fellows, their family members, their party members. What they think BJP? Only they will be staying in this country, and every day they will increase the petrol price, the domestic gas price, the diesel price. Even yesterday also they hiked the price. And I will request the Prime Minister what he is doing for the Ukraine students, especially 17,000 students they have back in India. What about their study? I met 400 students who came in Bengal. We are ready to help them for their study. We are giving free of cost for their study. But central government said, no, we cannot help them. If they cannot help them, then what is the drama? They have to help because it is a war situation. And when the people, their life was in danger, how they came with their life, we have to appreciate that. And is it not the duty of the government to take full care of the students, who are the medical students, the engineering students, and the other students also? I think they have to do it without doing the blaming the Trinamool Congress every day and arresting Trinamool Congress people, Sharad Pawar's men, sometimes Udham's men, sometimes the Stalin's men. This is very unfair. This is very unfair, and it is not justice to the people. People are not getting any justice. Justice is crying behind the door. It is most unfortunate thing. What should not be. We are really pained, and it is a matter of sadness. And what they are behaving with all the political parties, forcefully they want to evict the political parties. In a democratic country, it cannot be. In a democracy, there must be everything safely, smoothly, and very soothing way it should be. But they are forcefully trying to evict all the political parties with the political vendetta, with the political attitude that I condemn. Thank you so much.